Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Augustine Boutique. I am Boutique. So I want to share with you an article that I wrote about animal and human rights. So to go straight to the content, I was trying to give a reason of take care of our nature, our ecological system, and to give respect also to the habitat of animals. Animal and the human rights are very important in the world. All beings deserve respect and good life. No one has got the right to disturb the environment of others unless it is made to help both. That people's business and interest do not lead to the destruction of the animal environment, because animals deserve the same right to be cared for and to live in their environment according to their nature. Yes, we are not allowed to come to put fire in the forest. No, there are also other people. If you allow me to say, there's also other people, there's other human. We have to take care of them. Since we are different, a person and the animal, but animal deserve also the same right to take care of them. And then I went a little bit further. That if we look at history, human rights started with the Greeks. We have Plato, Aristotle, and the Epictetus, and the Epictetus. Yes, we have Plato, Aristotle, and Epictetus. You see, and let us pick up some Roman pedigree on its way. We have Cicero. In Latin, Cicero. His name is Latin. The correct pronunciation is Cicero. Via the Catholic Church, from St. Paul through the Plotinus to St. Thomas of Aquinas, and so on. Today we can see that the change in the nature of animals are too high because of the exploitation of the resources, and it needs new moral categories to use them. We have new moral categories to use them. We don't go to like I would say like you want to exploit the gold, like fuel, whatever. You go, you dig everything, and then you leave that place without organization, without put it in order. You are destroying the nature. Who gonna pay? This problem is not like another person. It's you in the coming generation. Then we have to take conscience of our mind. Welfare of an animal include its physical and mental state, and we consider the good animal welfare imply both fitness and a sense of well-being. Any animal kept by men must at least be protected from unnecessary suffering. Yes. In this sense, the animal has the right to live in conditions that favor it without distorting its habitat. Because what happens is that man has the tendency to destroy the environment of the animal environment, without thinking that the animals do not suffer from this environmental change. And in this we have the deforestation of land and the exploitation of trees and the burning of land. It's too much. Let us mind also to think about other lives. Let us think. And continue. Since ethics proceeds from pre-existence ethics rather than ex nihilo, society has looked to its ethic of humans, appropriately modified to find moral categories applicable to applicable to animals. Therefore, animals have the right to live in a favorable condition where they cannot starve and water, sad especially in this sense of transportation of domestic animal to a cage, poaching of animals, unnecessary injury of animal, and failure to protect their own environment is translated into a violation of animal rights. Critically, we can say that there is a failed on the protection of wildlife. According to Rooney, said that Wildlife Commission failed to act on a recommendation from the Division of Wildlife to abolish the spring bill, and because ants were liable to shoot letter teen murders, leaving their orphaned cubs to die of starvation. The general public ended the ants through a popular referendum. Let us take care of our nature. God give life to us, to all people. God give life to us to protect ourselves, to protect our nature, and to protect also the animals. To think about others, it is very important. Thank you so much to watch my video with my English broken, but yeah, I'm improving my English. I'm just saying that I'm from Angola. I am speak Portuguese. I think I'm feeling comfortable when speaking Portuguese. English, I'm still struggling, but anyway, don't mind it. Thank you so much.